Morning! Morning!
Buenos dias!
Morning, everyone.
Ano, like, gusto mong bar, Dave?
No, I'm good.
Sure?
Let's go. Ah, nag-ano pa siya, nag-yossi pa siya. So we are halfway there.
Third day of hiking.
Third day. So we are like an hour away. And yeah, so one more hour and we'll be at Shenandoah. I just need my coffee. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah. Hey guys, what's going on? David here. So we are now here at the Old Drag Mountain after 2 hours of driving at Shenandoah Valley. We are going for a how long? Like 10-mile hike? Shit.
Something like that.
We never trained. I never trained, obviously. But I think it's gonna be fun. It'll be fun. We were driving along here and we saw this nice swamp. You call that a swamp or something? River? Pond? Whatever. But yeah, so you will see the deterioration of Dave and the triumphant, maybe. So I guess I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye! And we're walking. Water break? Water break? Oh shit. God. So, I haven't hiked in a really long time. Last time I hiked, we got lost for like 3 hours. But now I have groups of friends to tag along with me just in case I got lost. But yeah, so far weather's cold, so it's good. I haven't felt it yet, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I will feel that on my legs and then on my feet later on. But yeah, yeah, documentary. Just in case na ano tayo, we survived. We have a video.
Starstruck!
Where is it? You hear that? Where's that woodpecker? Am I in heaven?
Sorry na.
Huh? Where is it?
Bato. Alam mo kaya lang, mahirap siya. Kasi mabato eh.
So here's Melody holding a cup,
Oh, here? I don't know.
drinking coffee while taking a hike. So I think we are over a mile away. And as you guys can see, I'm exhausted already. And there's more to come. How you guys doing?
Good! Surviving.
So I'm going to document the whole hike.
Good job!
Just because I want to. Good job, blowjob! Good job, blowjob! You want blowjob? Ask Kai.
Oh my goodness. Arigo, patay ka. We just gotta stick for him kasi nagka-cramping siya eh.
Ay, tulak niya na pababa.
Sino ba yung Ay, ang dami na naman yan.
Oh my God, naunahan na naman.
Para tayo magbibilang ng mga tubalas. Mga bata pa.
How many miles have we been? Did we reach 2 miles already?
I'm hoping. It's almost 2 hours. Hour 45 minutes at
Oh, wait. Careful.
Okay.
I wouldn't go beyond that point.
Yeah, just stay there.
That's enough.
That's enough, Melody.
Holy shit.
Okay, go.
Holy God. Look. That's beautiful. That's gorgeous.
Victoria talaga, oh. May kami ka daw, naging Victoria si Melody. Oo nga. Hindi mo obvious. Excuse.
Again, go over there. Go.
Ice, come on.
Come on. Come on.
Tara, boy.
So,
Tara,
we're almost there. Is that the top? Ayun na ba yung tuk-tuk? I think ayun na yung tuk-tuk eh.
Don't touch me. I'm not.
Touch!
Bakit?
Wow.
Guys! Naunahin naman pa tayo? Hindi, ito pa yung daan. Sigurado kayo.
Yeah!
Wala bang detour? Ayun, wala. I'm kidding. Ay, my God! Tagaan! Damuro ba to?
Holy
Yung daan
shit!
talaga?
The fuck? Melody, be careful, please. What the fuck did I got myself into?
Be careful.
Are you in video?
Yeah.
You're actually amazing. You're doing video while hiking the rock.
Madulas.
Ba, naka 3 miles na siguro tayo.
Parang kayo. Be careful. This is wetness.
I can't say anything anymore.
Good job, team. Good job, team.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Good job. Langya ka. This is amazing. Holy shit.
I guess we want the sun.
Whoa.
Pasok, Manu, pasok.
Yeah.
I mean, come in. Stop, Chad. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Pakyat.
Putang na.
Bag, bag.
I have to climb that. This friendship is over.
Muna tayo pagkatapos ito, ah. Bago na magka-text.
Ang ganda kaya.
Whoa.
Ayun yung blue eh. I'm just following the blue. This is the trail mark. Oh, diba? Ako! Si Jezebel! Nalig ako sa dagat.
Masyado lumayo yung dagat.
Ang layo sa napunta sa bato.
Holy. That's beautiful.
It is nice, right?
That's beautiful. How long have we been hiking? Like 3 hours? And we still have to climb all the way up there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Really windy. So I don't know if you guys could hear me.
Yung labi na yung nakadak. Duck lips.
Spider-Man!
Woo, sexy! Holy God.
Tubig ba yun?
Mom, this may be my last day on earth. Just want you to know I love you. Tell my friends that I owe money. I'm sorry.
Oh, you need 2 hands. Silly.
Okay.
No messing around. Be careful.
Woo! Good job, Melody. Woo! That's scary. That's really scary.
Good job, Dave.
Good job, Boggs.
Lumabas ang pagkalalaki mo. Sa wakas.
Yeah!
Okay.
So,
Kaya yun lang yan.
guys, this hike is no joke. So, fuck.
Again? Ay,
We're almost there. We just need to go to that cave. Fun! Woo! Woo-wee-wee-woo. Look, it's Narnia. Wait. Oh, right here. We're going to the cave. Shit.
Doon pala sa akin,
nandito po yung Sorcerer's Stone. Sorry ko.
I see Harry Potter.
Harry. Watch your head.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Whew. Almost there.
Where? Ang ganda naman ang bato na to. Laking bato.
We're here.
Ang ganda.
Shit.
Okay, next it over there.
No. Ooh, it's gorgeous.
Yeah. Let's repel her.
Alright. No, I'm scared. Oh, sige.
Ay, taray ka talaga. Kaya? Hell no.
Be careful, be careful.
Just sit down.
Be careful, baka tangayin ka ng hangin. So, we made it!
Okay.
Wow.
Ikaw first.
Hindi, diyan ka, okay lang.
Camera?
Naubos yung mga battery.
I got it.
Hey, chef? Where's chef?
Pili kayo ng rack nyo. Kanya-kanyang rack. Masarap. Masarap. Ay, sweetheart.
I'm going there.
Guys, bilis. Pili ka na. Nakakabog ko sa akin. Bakit ba? Bugs. Kakain na. Yes, stop moving. Diba, may bato pa dun. Ah, okay. Uy, baka malaglag ka dyan.
No, stand up.
Pasado ka maano, nasa edge. Malapit.
Woo! Scared.
For everybody.
Look at that!
Ano ka ba? May mag-yoga po.
Kind of though, really, seriously.
Tama. Hi,
Shit!
Really, seriously.
Okay. Gusto ko sa'yo. Halika dito. Ikaw naman na.
She's so annoying. Woo! Holy shit, you guys. Look at that. The water's cold, but it's gorgeous, and we've been I'm tired, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, been walking for hours. Huh? Really? So we're just taking a break, and there's only 2 of us left. The others were left behind, but we're just taking a break, enjoying the water. So yeah, just look at it. So good. Woo! So relaxing, guys. So relaxing. I really want to soak my feet underwater, but you know, I've been walking for like 10 miles already, so I don't want to destroy my feet. So I'm just gonna wash my hand and my face. So, yeah. Well, hello there, everyone. So it is now the next day. Forgot to end the vlog yesterday because I was just beat. So I got home, pushed myself to take a shower because I smelled like shit, pretty much. Yeah, but it was fun. It was fun. Had a great time with my friends and new friends, and yeah, it was a 9-hour hike, which was just insane. So to all of you hikers out there, good job, you guys. I was just, me having no training whatsoever, no practice, no workout, no gym. I would say, yeah, I'm so lucky to be alive right now. But yeah, it was fun. Had a great time. I don't think I will do it again. So let's just put a check mark on my bucket list on that. But yeah, it was fun. I don't know what to say anymore. It is the following day, late afternoon. Just got home from a wedding, and it was a good wedding. It was a garden wedding. Well, not really a garden wedding, but it's an outdoor wedding. So yeah, just got home, changed clothes and all, and I'm about to take some Tylenol or Advil because I'm still sore. It was so hard, but yeah. Oh, someone's at the door. But yeah, I am struggling to climb down the stairs. As you can see, that's my stairs. I mean, that's my stair right there. So I am struggling like crazy. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe, and share it to others. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!